So here's an answer to a question this week on the Inside Voiceover video training blog. I'm Susan Berkley, by the way, from greatvoice.com. The question is, how can I possibly do voiceover if I have a day job? Now, to get things straight, I am certainly not suggesting you quit your day job because, as we were talking in the previous video, this is a freelance position. So you really, as you're getting started, do need another source of income. So 90% of your time in voiceover is spent marketing and auditioning and preparing to work, not necessarily doing the actual work. When you get booked for something, it takes a surprisingly short time, and you can do it at home from your home studio in most instances after hours or on your own schedule, with a few exceptions. So you don't need as much time away from your day job as you might think. Number two, just like any other business you're starting, you do need to hustle. And a lot of that hustling is on the telephone. So you can do that over your lunch break or on breaks. You can send emails and things like that when you're not during your work hours. And I always say that you can progress greatly in voiceover if you have 20 minutes a day to spend consistently on the telephone. Now, doing that 5 days a week is going to get you very far, and you'll make a lot of headway in your voiceover business. You can send postcards and emails after hours, not during your day job, okay? Keep your boss happy. But sending out postcards is one of the ways that we market ourselves. That can certainly be done at night or on weekends. And the auditions can also be clustered together and done during breaks or first thing in the morning or when you get home from work. And when you get booked for an actual job, well, the first voice everybody should learn in voiceover is, "I'm really sick. I can't come in today." Right? So you'll take a personal or a sick day when you get booked for something if you need to. Hope that's helpful. I'm Susan Berkley. I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.